Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off Garmin watch. So we have a bunch of options, so let's get straight into it. So the first one, this is the standard way for most modern Garmin watches, is that you hold the light button, is top left, right here, for about 2 seconds, and until the circular control menu appears. So this is this one right over here. And as you can see now, my was there directly here where I can power off my watch. Then we have the second option, which is if you prefer navigate through the menus. So hold the up menu button, so the middle one here, just like that, and scroll down to the system. Let's find it. Right here, system, and just like that. And we need to find now, as you can see here, we have reset, and some of you will have some option here, power off the watch. Right over here I have just the reset option. Now if you have, for example, the watch like Vivo Active or Venue with just two buttons, hold the top button, so action button, for a few seconds. This will turn off your watch. If your watch is unresponsive and you cannot access the menu, hold the light or power button continuously for about 15 seconds. So, and just with that you will restart the watch face. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.